Does it guarantee na magiging successful ka? Does it guarantee na magiging life-changing yung business na papasukin mo kapag ka pinag-aralan mo? No. But I'm pretty sure, but I'm definitely sure na mas maliit yung chance na malugi ka kasi inaral mo muna. Hindi yung sobrang excited mo na kagad na gusto mo na mag-retire, na gusto mo nang, alam mo yun, hindi ganon. 'Di ba? So, nandun talaga sa learning stage. After that, after mong mapag-aralan yung negosyo, may savings ka na. Sir, eto na talaga. Papasukin ko na tong negosyo na to. Ano ang kailangan kong gawin? Ang kailangan kong gawin is you have to anticipate what? You have to anticipate what? Kahit pinag-aralan mo yung trial and error, dadaan ka pa rin doon. There's no such thing as business today, tomorrow, you are a businessman. Walang ganon. Business today, tomorrow, you are a failure. Business today, tomorrow, you are crying. And that is a fact. Hindi mo po pwedeng pinag-aralan ko na yan eh. Wala akong instant.